Hey, what's up guys, HookahJohn here, and today I'm doing an unboxing from HookahJohn. I ordered it on Monday, and it is now Friday. This is the invoice. First, I got 96 of the Exotica Easy Light Silver Tabs. I got 250 grams of the Alfacker watermelon. I got a white vortex bowl, which I'll open in a second. And then this is the thing I was really waiting for. It's a green Narbiche V2 hose. Alright, I'll open the bowl and show you guys. Okay, so here's the bowl. I hope you guys can see that. It's actually bigger than what I expected, but it's pretty good. Looks like all the holes are clear. I'm gonna open the hose real quick. Alright, so this is the Narbiche. It actually comes where the mouthpiece comes off, which is pretty cool, and it's washable, which this is my first washable hose. So that just goes in there like that, and then it's got this small port where you put it into your hookah, which is pretty nice. And then you got the little Narbiche logo. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and let me know if you want to see any reviews on what I got. Thank you.